Muhanga 26 March at the Institut Catholique de Kabgayi ICK hosted a public lecture on safeguarding ethics, integrity and accountability in AI-era journalism, drawing students, lecturers and university leadership. The session was led by Dr. Faustin Ntezilyayo, who explored the growing role of artificial intelligence AI in media and education.
For example, in many areas we know, in finance, for example, I remember many duties, many tasks that used to be done by accountant, for example, or accountant, that are being dealt with very quickly and very efficiently by AI. So the tip that one have to do, to use, being in journalism, being in law, being in medicine, being in finance, is of course to know what AI is capable of doing, and then of course we will continue to cope with what you have been doing. If AI is doing it efficiently, then you can make it productive in another way.
Vice Chancellor Professor Father Fidel Dushimimana thanked Dr. Ntezilyayo for his insight, noting that lectures like this strengthen critical thinking and professional skills, supporting ICK's mission of providing high-quality education.
Over convenience. Thank you all for your presence and active participation, and God bless you all.
Lectures at the university echoed the importance of the session. Henry Mapesa and Neriko highlighted the students gained a broad understanding of journalism beyond writing, underscoring the importance of research, ethics, and analytical skills.
They need to learn more about prompting, because today we have what we call professional prompting. I might prompt, or another person will prompt. If you prompt well, you will get good information. But if you rush, you will not get good information.
Students also shared their reflections. Megan Ribagiz acknowledged a shift in her perspective, saying she now understands the importance of using AI responsibly and thinking independently.
Thank you so much. This lecture has taught me that AI is not here to replace us, it's here to help. I have been using AI by not thinking myself. I haven't using my critical thinking, because I was saying that AI is here to replace me by doing the works, But after this lecture, I have well known that AI is here to help. Thank you so much.
Also, Damie Hodare student noted that AI can simplify tasks, solve problems, and open new career opportunities when applied correctly.
AI come with a new job creations. So that's why I thank ICK.
Ntezilyayo concluded with a call to action for students and educational readers alike. He advised current journalism students to dive deeply into their studies and master core principles of the craft: truth, accuracy, independence, and accountability, as these will be their companion in rapidly changing media environment. While he encouraged the use of AI to boost productivity, he insisted that human judgment must remain the final filter to maintain public trust.
Make sure that even if you are interrogating, you are inputting some data to get some output, make sure that the output that you get, you are verifying it. That is the reason why we are saying that human judgment is key.
The session highlighted the balance between technology and ethics, reminding future journalists that while AI is a powerful, human responsibility, ethical standards, and critical thinking remain irreplaceable. Daniel Ngendaiman, ICK News.